Man cannot discover new oceans unless he has the courage to lose sight of the shore. Andre Gide. Hey guys, hey. Okay, we are at Terminal 21. We are coming to just get out of the house, get some food to eat. Gerald was like, okay, today's Friday. We haven't been out of the house all week. Can you believe that? We just been ordering in, literally. And he's been going to 7-Eleven and Talbin for drinks and food. So we decided to just come out, just a chill evening. We're gonna go to Pier 21 to eat. Hopefully it's not crazy packed. And then walk to M Sphere, M Quartier area. Go check out Benchasiri. I think that's how it's pronounced, Benchasiri Park, something. He said no, that's not it. So Ben something park, you guys. We're gonna go check that out and just walk around, just a chill, super inexpensive evening. And I'll let you know what we spend and how you can just have fun in Bangkok for super, super cheap. Well, not cheap, super inexpensive. Let's find seats and then we are gonna go find some food. Let's see what we'll eat today. It is so much better than the last time we came. That's what I was telling Jarrell. I think we came during rush lunch hour, so it was ridiculously packed. But now you can find seats easily. It's not too many people. So Jarrell went to go find his food, and then I'm gonna go find something because we always try to secure a seat. But if we had like a water bottle or something like right there, you see them, they leave their stuff. So you can leave and come back, nobody's gonna touch it. But we don't have anything to leave, so we could go together, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm just gonna wait on him to get his food and then I'm gonna get mine. So it's a little bit of struggle to go separately, but it is what it is. All right, so I left my selfie stick and my hand sanitizer at the table. So we'll see if I see it when I go back. Okay, I'm just kidding. It's gonna be there. Nobody's gonna steal their stuff here. Jarrell ordered shrimp fried rice from this place. This is where I got my food from the last time. Was it? I don't remember. I think so. So now I'm gonna go find food somewhere. I don't know what I want yet. I'm gonna go look. So I'm looking for somewhere that cooks the food in front of, cooks it when you order it. I don't want any of these that's been sitting there. That's just my thing. You can do you, but that's how I like to eat my stuff. Ooh, look at them just do. These eggs look so perfect, you guys. Look at that. All right, so what am I eating? I think the last time I tried this soup, it was blood soup, you guys, and I'm not into that, so I didn't even eat it. I just completely wasted that. So I have to be careful what I order. Jarrell got his food. He's getting some soda. I'm probably gonna get either water or I don't know because I want dessert. So I'm gonna go find my food. You're good? He's like, no, we're this way. I'm gonna find food and then go join him. So I'm just getting my regular chicken, you guys. I'm just getting a chicken steak, and they're over there frying up the chicken. So good. And French fries. It's like, wait, did he just take out like 3 French fries from what wasn't it? You guys, that was hilarious. Okay, don't mind me. I've been saying hilarious because I have issues. You guys, where's my food? Just tell me where my food is, okay? But it was what, 50 baht, so right under $2. Scoops of ice cream for 25 baht, so like 50 cents, of course. And it's Nestle ice cream, so it should be decent. Yeah, so we're gonna get ice cream. I know we just had mango sticky rice. This is why I'm not losing no weight, you guys. Okay, so Jarrell got chocolate chip and cookies and cream. I'm gonna get vanilla and Milo. Ooh, mocha chip. Okay, Milo and mocha chip. You guys, look at this traffic out here. It is cray in Bangkok. Travel isn't always pretty. It isn't always comfortable. Sometimes it hurts. It even breaks your heart. But that's okay. The journey changes you. It should change you. It leaves marks on your memory, on your consciousness, on your heart and your body. You take something with you. Hopefully, you leave something good behind. Anthony Bourdain. Our struggle is so real, you guys. We came inside so we can use the escalator because we didn't want to climb the stairs. Like, the stairs are high. Okay, Gerald says we. I'm like, yeah, you didn't want to climb it either, so. So we came inside, so we're just gonna go back now so we can go across. And we are at the park. Gonna walk around and show you guys a little bit. Oh, it closes at 10, so that's a good time for some park walking. And it's so beautiful at night. So we didn't come down here, but we just walked on when we were passing to get to the BTS. So up there, and we saw it at night. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, guys. So I wanted to just touch on money over here in Bangkok. Of course, you know, exchange rates, all that will. You're all up in my face. All that will change and fluctuate. So the baht has been up and down the last couple of weeks like crazy. So to give you an example, last month when I withdrew money to pay the rent, 30,000 baht I took out. The rent is 29,000 baht. I'll go over that in my video about how much it costs to live here. And I took 30 out, and it charged me, it took from my bank account $890, yeah, right around $890 for 30,000 baht. Today, when I took the same 30,000 baht, $902 came out. So you can see the difference just because the baht has been going down against the US, so it gets more expensive over here for us. Still inexpensive, but you can see how, you know, your rent will fluctuate, how much you pay for food, whatever you spend in baht, it changes. Now we are just walking around. It is so beautiful. People are just sitting by the lake. We're gonna go over there and look, of course. Just chilling, relaxing. It is such a cool evening. It was supposed to rain today. Well, they said it's gonna be a rainy weekend, stormy weekend, but we haven't seen any rain today yet. But it's been pretty overcast and rather cool, so that's nice. The kids park behind me, so if you come with little kids, you can see they can come here and play on the slides and whatever things kids have at the park, you guys. My kids are grown, I don't remember what they have at the park. But yeah, so you can definitely come here with little kids and they'll have fun. And in a lot of parks here in Bangkok, you'll find outdoor gyms. So you can see people over there working out. And it's always free, of course. And you can, you know, come out, get your workout in if you don't have a gym at your condo and if you like outdoor gyms. But it's pretty cool. Yeah. We're just walking around. It's so beautiful, so peaceful. Definitely a nice little secret in the heart of Bangkok. And they're playing a game of basketball. So there's people just out here living, you guys. Different activities you can get into. Can't say you can't find something to do. And this is just one of them, one park. There's quite a few. And bigger too, so something to do for everybody. You guys, you want to go to the gym? Gerald, go to the gym. Go do something. You just stand on this and walk. It's cool, you guys. Like the different type of things you can do. Can't be fat. Like, why am I fat? I should be out here doing this. Gerald's looking like he doesn't want to laugh because I'm fat. Yeah, I need to be out here doing all this, you guys. And look how pretty over here is. Look at this. We're gonna go check it out. It's just a little sitting park again, I think. And then at night, the lights go on. Beautiful. Then this is a running track. People are out here running, getting their run on. And it's starting to rain, you guys. See, I was talking about it hasn't rained all day. As soon as we decide to come outside. So we're gonna go into M Quartier right now. If we can. M Quartier? Emporium. Oh, okay, so we're going into Emporium. There's too many M's, you guys. Just like Siam Center, Siam Paragon, Siam Square, Siam something else. So it's the same with the M's. So we're just gonna go over. So this is a second park, kids park, because we didn't come over this side. So there's two different sections for kids to play, unless I'm turned around. But yeah. All right, so we are in Emporium. We didn't come in here the last time, so we're just checking it out. And of course, they have all the fancy stores. You got your Tiffany, Burberry. You want to go this way? Louis, everybody. Okay. I don't know why they have all these fancy malls with all the high-priced retailers and stores, fancy shops. You going up? I thought we're just walking around a little bit. Okay. Yeah, they have them like on every corner at this point. Fear is the invisible chain that holds so many back from the life they dream of. It whispers doubts, magnifies risk, and convinces you that staying in the familiar is safer than stepping into the unknown. But here's the truth. I have walked through that fear. I left behind everything I knew, packed up my life, and set out to see the world with my kids, not knowing exactly how it would all unfold. Fear was there, but I chose not to let it be in control. And on the other side, freedom. The kind of freedom that comes with waking up in a new country, tasting foods you've never imagined, watching your children thrive in cultures far from where they were born, and realizing that you are capable of more than you ever thought possible. And then up here we're at Kids Planet, and Joel is going crazy for these things. What he's gonna have when we're in our tiny house. All these, he loves Legos and Hot Wheels, you guys. So if you're ever trying to buy him a gift, get him some Legos or Hot Wheels, okay? But yeah, so if you want something to buy for the kids, you can come up in here. Uno dos, you guys, they're speaking Spanish. Oh, that's funny. Okay. That's what's calling him, you guys. That's what's catching his eyes. How much is this? 14,000 baht? That's what? It's not like four. He's calculating, you guys. Let me show you this thing. $441. That's some crazy stuff. But he'll buy it. Like, he will spend his money on these things. I guess you spend your money how you want to, right? On things you love. Is how close, well, they're all just in the same section, you guys. Because behind me, right here, where we just came out of, and then we're going into M Quartier right here. So you can just, you know, mix and match, see a couple places, do a couple things. And have a fun evening, just looking, exploring, eating, chilling. Yeah. When you stop letting fear dictate your life, you step into something greater. Possibility, adventure, and the kind of fulfillment that only comes when you choose to truly live, not just exist. If I had let fear win, I wouldn't be here. walking through the park in yet another beautiful place, sharing this journey with you. So, whatever is holding you back, ask yourself, is it really stopping you, or is it just a story fear is telling you? Because once you step through it, I promise, life on the other side of fear is worth it. This food hall is so pretty, you guys. I want to eat here just because it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. You guys, it's raining, so they literally put this cover so you can walk under. Like, how cool is that? You don't have to get wet in the rain. I love the Thai people. Alright, you guys, so we came here to go. So Jarrell wanted chicken katsudan, and I got some chicken curry, okay, something, and a salad. Okay, see, I'm trying to eat better a little bit. So we're just gonna wait for a takeout. So we're just sitting right here waiting for our food to go. He said about 10 minutes. And then we're just gonna take the BTS because it's raining. It's where we normally walk like 13 minutes back home. But it was raining. It probably is still raining. Even if it stopped, I don't want to walk in the wet. So we're just gonna grab the BTS home. It is so full, you guys. Like everybody and their mama on there. But it's one stop, so we'll be fine. But yeah, that is our crazy, simple, just do something, whatever you feel like day. Are you letting fear hold you back from the life you truly want? I used to wonder what would happen if I left everything behind to travel the world. And the truth is, fear was there at every step of the way. You guys, we passed this place. It just opened, I think, because we've never seen it before. So we just got some bun. We got a sweet potato and a black bean dumpling. What is it, bun? We've never had them because normally when I see them, it's like pork, like minced pork and all sort of pork, and we don't eat pork. So I saw this and I'm like, sweet potato and then black bean. Let me try them because everybody talks about these buns. So I had to try. They were what, 28 baht, 30 something baht? So $1 and under $1. Nice. So we're taking these home. We're right here. I don't know how long it's going to be in this station, but it's like places just pop up every so often in the station. You see them, you just grab something from it. So hopefully it's good. Ask yourself, is fear keeping you from experiencing something new, from taking that trip, from making that big move? What if, instead of listening to fear, you stepped into the unknown and discovered just how much more life has to offer? Couldn't help ourselves, you guys. We had to stop at 7-Eleven because why not? But we only got coconut water because we drink one every day. Well, I drink it every day. Jarrell's joining today. And then jackfruit. We literally eat these every single day. These were the two last ones because we're probably the only ones buying them out. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I cannot wait to taste these, you guys. I'll let you know what I think. I'm not going to taste them on camera or anything. I'll let you know though.